What if I told you that for just $14.95, you could replace all your expensive AI tools with a single, powerful dashboard that gives you the power of ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, 11 Labs, and many more? Introducing SuperHero AI, the world's first all-in-one AI platform that gives you real AI superpowers. No monthly fees, no tech headaches, just lightning-fast results from one simple dashboard. Now, before we get into everything this tool can do, let me give you a quick heads up. I've arranged some exclusive bonuses worth over $500 for those who act fast. All you have to do is scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description below to grab them instantly. SuperHero AI is not just another app or software. This is your new command center for everything AI. Whether you want to create ultra-realistic 4K or even 8K visuals, generate lifelike voiceovers, write long-form content, build websites, translate content into 50+ languages, or even chat with PDFs and websites, SuperHero AI can do it all. And here's the best part. It's built on the top of the most powerful AI engines in the world: GPT-4o, GPT Turbo, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro, DeepSeek version 3, DALL-E 3 HD, and more, all connected under one roof. Think about that. Normally, to use all these tools separately, you'd be paying hundreds, if not thousands, every year. But now, you get access to everything in one place for one low, one-time payment. You can create content, images, and voiceovers in just seconds. You can ask it to design thumbnails for your YouTube channel, write blog posts for your website, generate captions and hashtags for your Instagram, or even write full landing pages for your business. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features. First up, the AI Voiceover Studio. You can generate human-sounding voiceovers in just one click. Need a podcast intro, a real voice, a full narration? No problem. It's powered by 11 Labs and GPT-4o TTS, so the voices sound natural, clear, and professional. Next, the 4K and 8K image generators. This is a game changer for content creators and marketers. You can create cinematic visuals, thumbnails, ad creatives, e-commerce images, all in ultra-high resolution. Just type what you want, and SuperHero AI generates it for you in seconds. Then we have the AI chatbot and assistant creator. Imagine building your own custom-branded chatbot assistant. You can train it to answer customer questions, generate leads, close sales, or even tutor students. You set the tone, the personality, the rules, and it works 24/7. Also included is a real-time internet data module. Want to know the latest trends? Get up-to-date news. Pull live stats or research data for your content. SuperHero AI can access the latest internet information directly from the dashboard. Oh, and did I mention the file chat feature? Just upload any PDF, docx, or even URLs, and you can chat with your files. Ask it to summarize, answer questions, or extract key information. Perfect for students, researchers, or anyone working with a lot of documents. Let me also quickly highlight one of my favorite features, the voice command mode. You just speak to the AI like you would to Alexa. You don't need to type anything. Just give a command and it executes instantly. By now, you might be wondering, is this beginner friendly? Do I need to be a tech expert? Absolutely not. SuperHero AI was built to be plug and play. There's no installation, no setup, no learning curve. Just log in from any device, laptop, mobile, tablet, and you're ready to go. And again, a quick reminder, this deal is not going to last forever. If you want to grab lifetime access and unlock bonuses worth over $500, scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description right now to grab them instantly. SuperHero AI gives you lifetime access with no subscriptions and over 15 powerful AI tools built into a single dashboard. These include 4K and 8K image creators, studio-quality voiceover generators, customizable AI assistants, website and code generators, translation in more than 50 languages, and full social media automation. You also get access to document summarization and chatbot features, a commercial license to sell everything you create, step-by-step training, 24/7 VIP support, and 10 premium bonuses exclusive to early bird users. Altogether, this offers a real-world value of over $10,000 for a one-time price of just $14.95. And the total real-world value? Over $10,000 easily. But today, for a very limited time, you get everything for just $14.95. One time. No upsells required, no recurring billing. And in case you're still on the fence, here's your safety net, a full 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can test everything out, see the results for yourself, and if it's not everything I'm saying it is, you get all your money back. No risk, no pressure. So if you're a freelancer, this can help you offer new services and increase your income. If you're a business owner, this can automate and enhance your marketing, sales, and operations. And if you're just getting started, this is your golden ticket to jumpstart your online business without needing any expensive tools or tech skills. Still thinking? Let me ask you this. What other tool out there offers AI writing, image creation, voiceovers, chatbots, automation, multilingual support, and real-time search, all powered by premium AI engines for under $15? None. There's literally nothing like SuperHero AI in the market right now. That's why thousands of creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs are jumping in every single day. And if you're still watching this video, you already know it's for you. So take action now before the price goes up. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to unlock your SuperHero AI license today and start building, scaling, and automating like a true digital superhero. Don't forget, bonuses worth over $500 are available right now. But once this early bird window closes, they're gone for good. You have the power to build a brand, launch a service, automate your workflow, and grow your income all from one platform. Say goodbye to overpriced subscriptions. Say goodbye to tech overwhelm. Say hello to SuperHero AI, your all-in-one AI sidekick. It's time to step into the future. Don't miss this chance. Take control. Start today.